Good morning, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. This is Bhaskar Jogi, having almost 23 plus years of experience in the IT industry. I worked for many companies like Accenture, Patni, Microsoft, and Unilever, Daimler Chrysler. I was in first 10 years in Bangalore. After that, I moved to Hyderabad. I'm passionate about the training. Because of that, I'm here today. I'm not working for any MNCs now, but I have very rich experience in the IT industry. I trained more than 1 lakh 20 thousands all over the world. I used to take initially lot of corporate trainings for Infosys, Capgemini, Accenture, lot of companies. I used to go and teach them, and I have conducted a lot of seminars for Infosys Mysuru, Infosys Bangalore, Infosys Hyderabad, Infosys, Mangalore, Infosys Chennai, and a lot of MNCs, where I have conducted a lot of training programs for their people. So currently, I'm not working. Currently, I'm not doing any corporate trainings. I'm completely focusing on, of online trainings. Even we don't have a classroom trainings as well. We have only online trainings. There is no offline training. I was there in Bangalore for 10 years. After that, I moved out of Bangalore. I'm currently in Hyderabad, and I'm operating from the Hyderabad days. I'm here because only one thing. I'm passionate about teaching. I'm passionate about training. That is the reason I'm here today. And anyone, any aspirants or any candidates who wanted to get into IT industry, clear? Maybe IT people, non-IT people, or 10 years of gap, educational gaps they have, or they may be not B.Tech guys. They may be BA, BCom, MBA, botany, zoology background guys. So doesn't matter. Anybody can come into IT industry because IT industry needs skills. It does not need your qualification, right? So, one guy said, even though you have a PG or a PhD, there is no use. You need to have a skill. If you have the proper skill, anybody can get into IT at the age of 40, 45, 47 also. Many people from Hyderabad cracked the interviews. They worked for, finance domain for 15 years. They worked for, banking domain industry for 8 years, 10 years. They worked for BPO industry, Amazon company for 10 years, only for 4 lakhs salary for last 10 years. So after learning this course, within 3 to 6 months, 4 lakhs girl cracked 15 lakhs of job. Her name is Pavani from Bangalore. Right? Last year, she joined, in the month of April, she cracked 15 lakhs job, but Amazon was giving her only 4 lakhs. When she asked, sir, increase my salary, they told for this BPO kind of a job, you don't get more than 4 lakhs. So that is the salary she got it from 2011 to 2023. 12 years she worked, and she was from mechanical BTech background. Many people are stuck. Many people do not know what to do. They don't get the proper guidance. And always you hit the broker when you say, I need a job in IT industry. But instead of asking a job, you say, I need to have a knowledge to get into IT industry. Then you're going to be meeting good gurus like us. So when you meet your good gurus, good teachers, good mentors, 50% of the success is already there in your basket. So if you follow the course within 3 months, you can complete these kind of a programs, data oriented technologies. So where no coding is required, no programming is required. So any non-IT people can come into IT industry with any graduate, BA, BCom, botany, zoology, BA, BCom. I have educational gaps, sir. I do not have the proper education gaps. So I had B.R. Ambedkar Open University guys, that to BA, Bachelor of Arts. One guy done it. He came to me 2 years back, sir. I have done BA, Bachelor of Arts. Can I come into IT? I said yes. He told me, sir, you are the only guy told we can also get a job. That guy cracked 2 interviews in Ahmedabad, 1 lakh with 8 lakhs, one more with 12 lakhs. So do you think that qualification is important? No, 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 no. It is skill, right? So PG or PhD, there is no use. if you don't have the skill. So understand the skill, get into the proper skills, and get that course from the proper mentors. You can get the same course in YouTube channels. You can buy Udemy videos. You can buy very cheaper courses, but 100% that you will not be able to get the proper knowledge. You will be repeatedly doing it, doing and doing. You will get stuck because you don't get the proper guidance or the knowledge. Clear? So it is important that not the course, which course I should do. Instead of that, which mentor is the best mentor for me to get into IT? So who can give me proper guidance? Is there anybody who can give me proper guidance? Means we are there. Clear? You can see our success stories from zero to heroes. One guy from Pune, his name is Akshay. At the age of 36, he came. Sir, I was running a bakery for last 10, 15 years. I was earning 20,000 rupees per month. I don't know what to do. But I wanted to learn something, but nobody is there to guide me. I have seen your videos in YouTube. Now I want to contact, and learn. I cannot do trial and error business. Even the recession is going on, I'm not worried because recession is a temporary, skill is permanent. Recession is temporary, skill is permanent, because in my lifetime I had seen lot of recessions. Nobody stopped me. Nobody can do anything. Only thing we can do, you can increase your knowledge. Akshay came, joined in the month of September. He couldn't continue morning live classes because he has to run his bakery, and morning to afternoon 1 o'clock he was busy, and after 1 o'clock he used to watch my videos and connect in the evening 1 to 1 and get all the clarifications within 3 to 4 months. He put lot of efforts and cracked 3 to 4 interviews. First interviews with 13.5. Then the last interview, 19 lakhs package. He got it. 20,000 rupees guy earned 20 lakh salary package in month of November last year, 2023. So anybody can change their life. You're a housewife for 10 years, you don't have proper education background, you have an educational gap, or you don't have a good mentor, or you're working for a insurance company, or you're working as a teacher, or you're working as an operational operator, salesman, doesn't matter. Anybody come into IT industry, data analytics you can complete within 3 months. No programming, no coding is required. So, and everybody will ask me, sir, what is the eligibility to get into data analytics? I'll say, if you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you're eligible for data analytics and Power BI. That's it. Sir, any age qualification? No age qualification. I had people at the age of 47, they took the training, they cracked the job in Bangalore, right? I had have the people last year at the age of 42, 44, 45, 36, 32 and a 21. So anybody can come into IT industry anytime. So qualification, age, nothing is needed. So do you have the proper mentor? Do you have the proper coach? Daily 2 to 3 hours, can you practice? If you say yes, you can easily get into IT sector. Nobody can stop you. Only you yourself is going to stop you for your success. If you're earning a 20, 30,000 rupees per month, means you're doing a crime. People can earn 1 lakh per month in India. People can earn 1.5 lakh per month in India. Direct number. My direct number will be this number. Anytime you can just call me. 991 991 9452. Clear? So 991 991 9452. That is my direct number. Anytime anybody can call me or anybody can mail me. You industry, anybody can get into IT industry at any age. There is no problem. But only thing you need to ask, do you have proper knowledge or not? So somebody saying, they lost my voice. What about others? So can you hear me, guys? Guys, can you hear me? Okay. So it's fine, right? It was breaking. Okay. Now am I clear? Now it is okay. If it is breaking, let me know. So what about others? So getting okay, which Viraj is saying it was breaking. So we can hear you. Okay. So an intermittent issue. Okay, that's fine. Clear now, guys. So if you have any questions or any from or US, UK as well. Any people can get into IT industry. There is no issue at all. I can give you a lot of success stories from Canada, India, and US, UK, Dubai. Even I have a lot of people from Pakistan as well. You should not be worried about the country. You have a lot of opportunities worldwide. Am I clear? Sure. I will be able to call you and talk to you. If you have any issues, you can just call me on this WhatsApp number. I will be able to help you. Okay, chalo. Any other questions you have, guys? Very good. So, am I clear now? There's no problem, right? Okay, fine. Okay. So, I have to conduct three classes. What job role title can be seeking when we are applying for a job? Yeah, I'll be talking about everything. What is a job role you can have? You can have a software engineer or a data, Power BI developer, BA developer, business intelligence developer, data analyst, right? Or you can say business analyst, or you can say marketing analyst, or you can say system analyst. Any role that can be offered to you, role is not important. So what is the activities that you're going to be doing, that I'm going to be talking about it. No issues. Am I clear, Sarah? No issues. Any role you can apply where they say we need a Power BI developer, or this is a job description we need it. So people should know SQL, people should know this, people should know that. They will give you job descriptions clearly. Okay, guys, so you can have any job role. So only thing is that job description is important. What is that they're asking in that job description? Clear? So that is what I'll be focusing on. If you have any other questions, I will be able to tell you. Yeah. So data analytics is completely drag and drop, software. Power BI is completely drag and drop software. You're going to be completing the course within 3 months. So we're going to be starting from February, March, April. We are going to complete data analytics course, and demos are there today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. 3 classes with the same meeting ID, same time. We are going to be meeting daily. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you must attend all the classes, and all the recorded videos are going to be given till day 1 to all the 3 months videos will be recorded and will be uploaded in a portal, so that you will be able to get the access for all the videos. If you're not able to attend daily live classes, no issues. You will be able to watch the video that will be uploaded in the same day. By afternoon, we are going to be uploading the video. Give the permission to access the videos, so you should not be worried at all. And if you have any issues or any concerns with the training program, any doubts or the clarifications, you will be able to mail me your concerns or your doubts. So we can also connect one to one in the evenings or in the afternoon. If you say that, sir, I'm stuck somewhere here, I wanted to connect with you, or is there any group I can ask the question? We're going to be creating one Telegram group Once you join the enroll for this batch, you will be able to get into the Telegram group. And if you have any questions also, you should be able to directly call me or talk to me. I have given my number as well, right? My number is, so this number, anybody, they can reach me anytime. 9919919452. This is my WhatsApp number. You can call me or ping me. Or if I'm not taking the call, means I will be in the class or I will be busy. I'll definitely get back to you. Sure. So guys, so if you don't have the time in the mornings, no worries about it. Daily videos will be, you can upload it, that you can watch, and you can connect with me one to one in the evening. And we are going to be having the classes from Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, normally we don't take classes, only the demo classes this time I'm going to be having this Saturday. Otherwise, we don't have classes on Saturday and Sunday. Monday to Friday we'll have classes. Daily 1 hour class will be there, morning 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock IST. We don't have any weekend batches. We don't have any other schedules for Power BA. And every month we are going to be starting only one batch. If you miss this batch, next batch will be March 1st. If you miss that, next April 1st, May 1st, like that. Am I clear? So you don't have any other batches, and we don't have any other schedules also. Clear? So total 3 demos are going to be there. So you need to watch all the demos without fail. So let us understand what are the hot skills in the 2024 in the IT industry. According to some Telugu art, newspaper, let me post this newspaper. I don't know whether you can read it or not. So they're saying this is the article from January 1st in one of the Telugu leading newspaper. That they're saying data analytics, artificial intelligence, or machine learning, or the data science, data engineering, and cloud and cyber security. So these are the skills, even today they're in more demanding. So all these things, we are having a lot of online classes. If you wanted to get into any one of them, there is no issue, but you need to choose one where no coding is required, no programming is required. Within 3 months you can get into IT industry. So in our data analytics course, we are going to be covering not only data analytics, we're also covering data engineering, we're also covering a cloud. That is also will get covered within 3 months. And slightly data science, and this one also I'm going to be covering. So all these things will get covered. Okay. So maximum in our syllabus. So data science, even though it is a separate 3 months course, but some brief idea about data science I'm going to be covering. And the cloud I'm going to be using, in data engineering and data analytics, everything I'll be talking about in this demo. Clear? So these are the very, very hot skills even in 2024. And the data analytics, where no coding, no programming, within 3 months you can complete the course by practicing daily 3 to 4 hours, or 2 to 3 hours of practice. You must do it. And that is what is very, very important, guys. Now, people have to fill the form. If you're attending the course, means everybody has to fill the form, guys. This form I've given in the chart window. In this form, you will have to fill your email address. You simply copy, paste, and press enter. You will be able to get this form. Your email address, full name with surname, location, mobile number, click on subscribe. That's it. So what is the advantage when you fill the form? You're eligible for the course discounts. That is one thing. Course payments and bank details, or course discounts will be offered after third day of the demo. So not today, not tomorrow. Don't ask me the payment related questions now, because it is not very important. Just attend the concept today and tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So why it is not working? Yeah, this is the form. It is working. If you're not able to fill the form, at least send me your details to bhaskarjogi@gmail.com, or you can also send your data to these phone numbers. Am I clear? So now I'm going to be talking about what is data analytics and what is that we're going to be learning. So I spoken about my profile. So I spoken about candidate's profile also. What is that you need to have? Any graduation, any year passed out. Even though you have a gap, even though you have a PF account, you should not be worried about. So everything I will be able to help you to manage. So qualification, no qualification is required. Any qualification is fine. Any age gap is fine. Job opportunities, salaries, expectations in India and abroad, I'll be talking about. Duration of the course will be 3 months. February, March, April will be completing. Free projects are included. Materials for the training, case studies, and assignments are included for free. And methodology of the training, purely we have online training. We don't have offline training, and daily recorded videos are going to be provided for free, and that you can use. The validity for the course is 6 months. Clear? If you make the payment today, you will be able to get the videos and everything next 6 months. After 6 months, if you wanted to continue further, by paying some nominal fee, some 300 rupees or 400 rupees, if you make, you can continue another 1 or 2 months. So you need not pay complete course fee. Only video also, if you want to get it after 6 months, 6 months will be the validity for the videos. After 6 months, if you wanted to take another 6 months, means just pay some thousand rupees or 1500 rupees for 6 months, and take it for another 6 months or 3 months. So that is also available. Clear? So you can join the course, you can complete the course within 6 months, but the complete duration is needed only 3 months to complete the course. CV and interview preparation, everything is going to be included. Job placement assistance also we're going to be giving. Only thing is that you need to crack the interview by yourself. I can prepare the CV for you. I can give you assignments. I can give you case studies. I can give you mock interviews. I can give you this, that. I can give you project. I can give you project explanations. I can give you everything. You ask me something, I can give it to you. But what is that you should do? You have to crack the interview. So minimum 5 to 10 rounds of interview you have to fail, so that you will be able to get it. Many people are saying 80 to 90% of the interview questions are going to come from my syllabus. You need not go here and there. Complete, follow my syllabus. Write down the notes regularly. Watch the video, write down the notes, and revise the notes. You will be able to crack the job within 3 to 6 months of time. Many people who paid lot of amount for the proxies, lot of people failed by learning lot of courses. It is not the course. Everybody can learn any course. It is always matter what kind of a guru you have, what kind of a mentor you have. If you don't have the proper mentor, even though you learn very beautiful course, you don't get a job. There is one guy from movie industry, after the Salar movie, he was saying, you can take a good script and the director can make it a failure movie. Okay, but you can also take a bad script, then you can make a hit movie. It depends upon the director, not the story. That is what he says. You can take a good script also, that can be failed movie, right? Even though you have a bad script, that can also, people make it as a beautiful movie. You can also get very beautiful success. It is not the script, it is always most of the time the directors. Clear? So definitely, if we have the proper director, he will be always thinking about proper script also. Clear? So that is important. So this is what we're going to be offering. So we have a lot of other courses also. I'm going to be taking, teaching you this course for next 3 months with you. And if you have any questions, you can reach me anytime. Only thing is that, so starting point is not so important for anybody, right? You can be a salesman, or you can be a housewife, or you could be anything, teacher, or you could be operational guy. What is important? Destination is important. What is that you have achieved, what is that you have reached is important. Clear? So make sure that skills are important than the decision, and the skills are important than your degrees. 80%, 90% degrees, PG qualifications, PhD qualifications are no use if you don't have the proper skills, I'm telling you. Okay, so uh, we are going to be actually learning these three courses. So only Power BI cannot give you job. So February and March, we are going to be learning SQL and Power BI. And after that, in April, we are going to be learning this. So in the April month, we are going to be planning for this, because by learning one course, you will not be able to get a job. I wanted to taken to Naukri.com, job portal. Guys, we will talk about technical things. Before that, I would like to give some important factors because all this you do not know. I wanted to go to Naukri.com, job number one job portal in India. Okay, so let me just go and go to Naukri.com. So while LinkedIn it is going, I want to simply go to Naukri.com. Now in the Naukri.com, let us ask for Power BI jobs. Power BI jobs. Experience could be anything. Enter location. I'm not putting any location. Simply click on search. Okay. How many jobs are available today? I can show you. Total jobs are listed today. 20,000 jobs are available today in India. Even though recession is going on, how many jobs you need? You need only one job. But do you have the proper knowledge? Answer is no. So this job is posted 5 to 8 years one day ago. And what are the skills they're asking? DAX, Power BI dashboards, BA dashboards, and query. Query means SQL. Query means what, Nana? SQL. What is SQL? I will be able to talk to you. Now let us come here. What are they asking here? Power BI, data modeling, DAX. So it is 6 to 11 years and one day before this job posted. Power BI developer one day ago, this company 5 to 8 years, 9 to 12 years, 6 to 9, 6 to 9, 5 to 8, 5 to 8, 5 to 10, 5 to 10, 3 to 7. You can see Power BI, Mastech. Our students are available in this company, right? Power BI, SQL, BA, developer, MS BA. Have you seen ETL, SSIS? What are they asking? You have to concentrate on SSIS, SSRS, ETL, BA, right? So SQL, SSIS, even though you see many people are asking SSIS, SQL, Power BI, Power BI data set, tabular model. You see them there. So 3 to 4 years, Power BI Tableau, Power BI, BA, and you see Power BI, SQL, BA. So they are not only asking Power BI, they are asking compulsorily SQL. Have you seen it? So Power BI, BA, analytics. So you need to understand these points. So Oracle means SQL. Okay, so all of them people are asking. So when you see it, if you learn only Power BI, that is not sufficient. Compulsorily, you have to know these three technologies. Okay. So one is SQL, you need to know. This is also called as a database. The second one, you have to learn Power BI. The third one, you have to learn ETL. We have SSIS here, we have ADF here. So these are the three tools that you're going to be learning next 3 months. It is going to be from February to February, March, April. So these 3 months, you will be able to complete all the syllabus. Now, first 2 months, February and March. February and March, I'm going to be, telling you SQL and Power BI. And the month of April, we're going to be talking about this. All these things are mandatory. Clear? So you cannot say, sir, I will only learn Power BI or I will learn only this. I will learn only this. It is not one. It is a combination of all of them you need to learn. Clear? Many people told me, sir, I have learned Power BI, but I did not get a job. After came to know about your YouTube channel, I came to know about your videos and your lectures. That is the reason I have joined today. So it is not one skill. When you learn, you get a job. Many people will come to me, sir. If I learn, Power BI for 1 month and SQL for 5 days, can I get a job? Answer is no. You cannot get a job. SQL, you need to learn 45 days course. 45 hours syllabus is there, but unfortunately, we don't have live classes. Okay, no live classes are available, but you need to buy videos and practice them. Clear? So you should not be worried, sir, I am a BTech zoology background or BTech background, zoology background or civil background, mechanical background, BA, BCom, MBA background. Will I understand SQL? I made it very, very simple. Anybody can understand. Clear? So these videos are available in English and Telugu language. You can buy any videos, even though you buy Telugu videos, notes will be there in English. Notes make English lone untundi. Clear? SQL you need to practice 2 months, 45 days, 45 hours means daily 1 hour video you need to watch. So it will be February and March, you will be able to complete this. Then Power BI also for the 45 days. Okay. So Power BI will be having live classes, and you can also get daily recorded videos will be uploaded. So you can also have English and Telugu videos are available. So this class will be there in English only, but you can also ask for the Telugu videos. We can give you one copy of the videos, either Telugu or English. Previous batch recorded videos I have that is there in Telugu. You can just take those videos and practice them. Am I clear? So this is the live classes daily morning 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock you can attend. And in that you can also ask doubts about SQL. So daily you have to watch one video in the evening. Morning you attend live classes of Power BI. Evening you watch one SQL video. You have to write the notes. Next day morning you will be able to ask the doubts if you have anything. So how to watch this 1 hour video? Don't watch at a stretch. You watch only 15 minutes. Give a break. Write the notes. If you don't have a mood, close the video. After some time, after 1 hour, 2 hours, or after the lunch, again watch the video for 15 minutes, write the notes. Like that, you have to come in the evening, watch the video and complete it. Don't watch any video at a continuously. You will get bored or you will sleep. I don't recommend to watch any video continuously like that. Okay, na? You have to open pen and paper, open the video. You have to just watch 5-10 minutes and write the notes. If you don't have a motive, stop it. So that is how many people are learning. Don't tell me, sir, I know basics of SQL. I have learned in my college days. My friend will tell me he's going to teach SQL. Sir, I have Udemy videos from YouTube. Sir, I have some basic knowledge about SQL. Don't tell me that, because 80% of the interview questions or 60% of the interview questions are going to be coming from here, right? If you don't know in depth of SQL, you're going to be failing. You ask any student who got a job, I'll invite, I'll ask them in front of you, what is that they have learned a lot. You ask them, even though they joined as a fresher or joined as a 3 years, 4 years guys, lot of interviews will be conducted only with the SQL. Power BI, very 30-40% of the questions are going to come. Okay, you don't tell me that, I know basics. That is not going to work. Remaining 40% of the interviews will be from Power BI and ETL. Clear? So this is what is you need to plan. This is what you need to plan. These two courses can go parallelly. So morning you attend one Power BI live class, you practice for 1 hour. Evening you open SQL video and you will be able to watch the video and you will be able to practice them. I will give you software to practice. You need to have a proper laptop, and in the month of April, once it is over, in the month of April, we have ETL. It is called SSIS and EDF. I'll be talking about all of them today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. What is equal? What is ETL? All the technical things you will come to know. Don't worry, just wait. It will be for 1 month. 25 days. You can go in for either videos or the live class. If the live class is there, you can go for the live. If that is not there, you can buy video and practice them. So no worries about it. Clear? So you should be able to practice them, and once it is over, then I'll give you one free project is given included for free, and freely interview questions are going to be shared, and the project preparation is going to be done. CV preparation is going to be done. Everything will be done by me. Only thing is that 10 to 15 interviews are going to be failing. So the next interview is yours. I'm sure you will be able to crack minimum 2 to 3 offer letters. Manohar failed many times. He has taken proxies. No, we said no, sir, proxies. I got caught many times. So I don't want to go into that. I have to learn on my own. That guy was doing a hardware business, hardware networking, installation, all of them that guy was doing. But he knows that he cannot get more salaries. Now he got 11 lakh salary package in the month of December 2023. Two offer letters. I will invite probably tomorrow or Saturday to this class. You can talk to him how he has succeeded, right? How he's wasted his money and paid the money for the proxy calls and everything. He's completely failed after 1 month joining the MNCs. Now he's able to join the company. Now he says, I'm very confident that I can crack any kind of an interview. With this, your knowledge, I can easily sustain in the company because we'll give you not only theory but also practical knowledge. You can easily put 3 to 5 years of experience or 5 to 10 years of experience with this content. With this training, you can keep minimum 0 to 10 years of experience. You can easily crack the interview because lot of architects going to come, lot of people from Java.NET will come, and they will learn data analytics. They get a new job, they'll say, sir, too much of a coding in Java.NET, I'm not able to do the coding. Even though I have 10 years of coding, I love coding, too much of technologies to learn, so I am fed up of coding. So I want to get into data analytics. Many people from Wipro, Infosys, many companies, people have resigned as a .NET developer, Java developer. They took this after 10 years of their experience, get into data analytics. It will give you much more job opportunities. I'm telling you, even today. ETL, we have live and recorded videos. Whatever you can get it at that time. Clear? If you have the recorded video, you can get it, or we have a live batch, you can just get into that as well. Clear? So that is what is the thing. And these three is the must. You can go to anywhere, you will be able to get all these things are asked. Now, if you ask me, what is that IT industry is going to be doing? Clear? Okay. So this is the course. Now I wanted to tell you what is that IT industry is going to be doing. What are the tools in the market for the Power BI? Tableau. So Tableau is somewhere here. You can see the trend. Power BI is somewhere here. Have you seen the Power BI trend? So this is the last 12 months data. I took it, I compared it. So Power BI is even today rocking. It is a Microsoft software. Tableau BI is a Salesforce software, and Google companies also have a BI software called Looker. When you go to Google, if you see a lot of charts and graphs, okay, we can say Infosys share price. When you look like this, it is going to be giving you a chart. Have you seen the chart here? The chart, Power BI or Tableau is going to be used to create a chart. Clear? But the chart is going created using a Looker. Looker is the Google's BI software or reporting software. Clear? It can tell you what is the share price for Infosys last 5 years. How is the share price? Last 1 year, how is the share price? January to till date, what is the share? And last 1 day, how is the share? So all the charts have been prepared with the help of a lookup. Clear? So Power BI is going to be used to create a lot of charts and everything. Before talking about it, I want to tell you we need to have the company's data, right? Without data, you will not be able to create a report. Now, I will tell you before talking about data, I would like to talk about IT industry. Do you know what IT industry is going to manufacture, or what is it is going to be giving it to you? You don't tell me, sir, IT industry is going to be giving us softwares. That is not the IT industry doing. Okay, don't tell me IT industry where you have a lot of software is getting manufactured or getting developed. You don't say that. IT industry, what is the purpose of IT industry? IT industry is doing two things. So if somebody asks you, what does automobile industry doing? It is manufacturing cars. So what about the power sector? It is producing the power. What about oil sector? You know, where you will get the oil and everything. But what about IT industry? What it is doing? It is doing two things. What are they? It is doing, it is storing the data of the business, and it is processing the data of the business. So everywhere, any business you take banking, you take insurance, you take social media, you take any company, you take a crime data, you take social data, banking data, insurance data, oil, natural gas data, media data, any data you take, it is going to be storing the data of the company. What it is going to be doing? IT means information technology. Information can be derived from the data. So you need to have the data. So IT industry is going to be storing the data. IT industry is going to be processing the data. It is not going to do anything else. Only these two activities Capgemini doing, Microsoft is doing, Google is doing. Any you take one company in IT industry, they are dealing with data storing or data processing. For the storing purpose, you need to have a technology. The technology is called as a SQL. Clear? So IT industry is going to store the company's data. I have my data in the social media, or I go to Amazon.com. I would like to buy a product. So Amazon.com storing the data in a SQL. I go to passport officer. I apply for a passport in India. So the passport data is going to be stored in a SQL. Am I clear? So IT industry is going to be storing a complete global data with the help of a technology called SQL. It is also known as database management system. It is also called as a RDBMS. Step number one. Step number two, IT industry is going to be processing the data with the help of a language. What is the language? Language may be C, C++, Java, Python. You take any language, it is going to be processing your data. So what is the data? For example, I have a 10. 10 is the data, 20 is the data, 5 is the data. I wanted to know, guys, can you hear me? He's saying lost. Shivraj is saying, can you hear me clearly? Said people lost my voice. So fine for me. What about others? Can you reconnect? Fine, guys. Everybody has to ping. Fine, right? Okay. So please, reconnect. Okay. So when you have data 1020 and this is the data, where do you store the data? You are going to be storing the data in SQL. But I wanted to know total. What is a total? Total is a sum or a processing. You take a 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 5, 35. So processing is doing a summing operation or sort the data or find out the minimum, find out the maximum, count number of data elements. So this is what is called processing. Clear? So when you have the data, you're going to be knowing what is the total, what is the minimum, what is the maximum, what is the sorting, what is this, what is that. So language can process the data. Clear? So IT industry I'm going to be talking about now. Guys, are you clear? So IT industry, I stands for information. Information can be derived. Okay. I stand for information. Information technology. Right? So how do you get the information? To get the information, we need to have the data. But where do you store the data in IT industry? IT industry is going to be storing the data in a technology called SQL. It is also called as a database management system, or it is also called as relational database management system or softwares. Clear? So IT industry is going to store the data. When you store, you should be able to retrieve the data. Retrieve means get the data. So SQL is going to be used. SQL means what? Structured query language. Clear? So with the help of this software, with the help of this concept, we will be able to store the large amount of data. Clear? It is also called as a database management system. It is also called as a relational database management system. I will give you one example. I have lot of blood. Where will you store the blood? Blood bank. You have Chiranjeevi blood bank, Apollo Hospital blood bank, Care Hospital blood bank, blah blah blah. I have a lot of gold. Where will you store the gold? Gold bank. You can go to any gold bank, you can store the gold. I have a lot of data. Where will you store the data? Data bank. Data bank is called as a database. అర్థమవుతుందా? So data bank is called as a database. Database is called as a SQL. You have lot of blood banks, a lot of data banks, lot of banks are available. What are the popular data banks? So there is a Oracle company is going to give you Oracle software, which is SQL software or database management software or relational database management software that you're going to be learning, or Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, it is from Microsoft company, or IBM company has given you one more software. This is IBM company DB2. You tell me, you can go to Oracle, or you can use SQL Server, or you can use a DB2, or you can use a Teradata or MySQL. MySQL, Teradata, right? Netiza. All these are from the data storing point of view. Teradata, Sybase. Clear? All these are SQL softwares or database softwares. Teradata, Sybase, Netiza, PostgreSQL. So all these are used to store large amount of companies' data. You may get the data. You may store the data in the Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 or MySQL, Netiza, Teradata, anywhere. You need to understand your data is going to be stored in IT industry in one of these softwares. Clear? So remember. But who's going to be processing your data? So data is going to be stored like that. Data is stored after that data is going to be processed. For the processing purpose, so the companies will give you a language. Okay, language like you may use C or G++, Java, Python, or Android, right? So any language you're going to be using, or a .NET, or this language, that language. So only two things IT industry is going to be doing. One is it is going to be storing the company data in one of these softwares. Clear? So all of them are called SQL softwares. All of them are called database softwares. Database means a data bank. I would like to store large amount of water. Where will you store? A tank or a bucket or a drum or maybe a big reservoir, right? So Oracle is a tank from Oracle company. SQL Server is one more tank from the Microsoft company. You have a lot of tanks available outside, right? You can buy Syntax tanks. You can buy, Adishwar tank. You can buy any tank. Tank is made up of a plastic. You can put the water. You can get the water. Oracle is one more tank where you put the data, you get the data. SQL Server is one more company, is a tank or the godown, or you can say storeroom. You can put the data, you can get the data. DB2 is IBM company, is a tank or the bank or the storeroom, or you can say godown. Clear? In the go down, you put lot of items. Whenever you need, you can get lot of items back. Put the data, get the data. Put the cash, get the cash back. So banking industry, where you deposit the cash, where you withdraw the cash. In RDBMS, what you do, you deposit the data, you get the data. So Oracle is a go down. SQL Server is one more companies go down. DB2, another companies go down. MySQL, Netezza, Teradata, all these are different companies go downs where you are going to be storing a large amount of companies data. That is what you need to understand. If somebody asks you what is a SQL, what is a database, what is a relational database, means you can say these are the go downs coming from different companies. You can choose one go down, you can put your data there. That's it. Clear? So what is SQL means, which is a data storing software. It is just like your tank, your bank, or your go down, your storeroom, whatever you think, your drum or your water tank, whatever you think. In the water tank, water going to be there. You put the water, you get the water. In the RDBMS, you store the data, you get the data whenever you wanted to get it back. That's what. Clear? Thousands of SQL softwares are available. So SQL or RDBMS is going to be used to store large amount of companies' data. IT industry is going to be working with only with the data. It can store the data, it can process the data. It is not going to do anything else. Okay. In tomorrow's class, I'll be talking about what is BA and everything. But let me tell you, if somebody asks you what is a data analytics means, it is also known as a business intelligence. I'll be giving you brief abbreviation, and tomorrow we'll continue further. Reporting reporting the past is called as a data analytics or business intelligence. Clear? So what is a data science? Data science is also called as artificial intelligence or machine learning. So this is what is called as predict the future. Clear? So these two are the two different technologies that you're going to be using in the current era. Both of them are very hot skills in 2024 as well. So data analytics, reporting the past. The Amazon company wanted to know what was my sales, what was my sales in India last 3 years. So this is what is the reporting the past or understanding the past. Clear? What was my sales in India last 3 years? So this is what is the question Amazon company wanted to ask you. So the data analytics means this. The same question is asked by Amazon to you. What will be my sales in India next 3 years or next 5 years? You would like to predict something. If you wanted to predict or you would like to understand the past, what is that you need? You need data. So without data, data analytics is not going to work. Data science is not going to work. So where do you store the data? You have to know how to go and get the data from the SQL. How to store the data, you have to know. How to retrieve the data, you have to know. Then as a data analyst, you should know how to create a lot of reports and everything. As a data analyst, you have to learn SQL, you have to learn Power BI, right? You have to learn ETL, you have to learn data modeling, you have to learn data warehousing, blah, blah, blah. You can complete this course within 3 months. Lot of job opportunities will be available as a data analyst. You need to learn. So many people also will be learning data science. So all these things you need to learn. Plus, you have to learn Python and artificial intelligence or machine learning. This is what you're going to be learning. So to learn this, you need 3 months of time here. 3 months time you can learn. So data analyst tomorrow, by learning Python and ML. Python and ML will take minimum of 12 months to complete. Clear? Python will take 1 month to complete. Machine learning will take 11 months to complete. Almost it will become 1.5 year course. Clear? So data scientist people have to learn everything, all these things you need to learn, plus extra you have to learn. What is a complicated one? This course is very very easy course, anybody can learn this course. But this is very complicated because to learn ML, machine learning, you have to know stats very well, you have to know maths very well, you need to have a problem solving skills. Okay, so you will become a data scientist. You will not become a software engineer. So data scientist means people who are having R&D skills, research and development skills. Sir, many people are saying data science is a hot skill. I wanted to learn. You can learn, but you need to remember you need to have 1.5 year to 2 years of time. And we are also teaching data science, but you should be good in maths and stats and everything. Even though it is a hot skill, it is very complicated one. Remember that. So instead of directly jumping into Python, ML, and blah blah blah, you learn this and you can easily jump into data analytics, work for 5 years in the real time IT industry, then you learn ML or AI, you can easily jump into data science if you're really interested. Otherwise, so all data analytics guys can become a data scientist tomorrow by learning one Python and machine learning. Am I clear? So what is that you need to know? Without SQL knowledge, you cannot do anything in the IT industry. Not only you, even tomorrow you learn Python, Java, .NET, everybody should know SQL. Without data, without data, IT industry, you cannot learn any course, not even Java, .NET, Python, Power BI, MSBI, X or Y or Z, no course you can learn. Remember, so SQL is mandatory to get into IT. Tomorrow you join Android course. The Android faculty will tell you, hey, you have to complete SQL in depth. Otherwise, you don't get a job. Java course you learn, then the faculty will tell you to learn blah blah blah. So all these things are very much important, guys. And tomorrow we will be able to continue further. And this is what is called what is data analytics and what is data science. A brief intro I have given. Tomorrow I'll be talking about a lot of things. What is ETL? What is data warehousing, what is data science and data analytics once more, and I'll give you a lot of examples. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, same timing, same meeting id will be there. You can just continue understanding. I'll make it very very simple, you should not be worried about. So we need to have the data. So the we are going to be giving you real-time data sets you can download freely from kaggle.com. So all the IPL match data we can use, we can predict if you learn a data science or which IPL, which player can win in the next IPL match. That kind of analysis you can do with the IPL match data sets. If you know machine learning algorithms, we are not going to be doing predictions here because we are going to be dealing with completely data analytics. Who's the best performer in all 5 years of IPL matches? I wanted to know. So I can take the IPL match data, I can analyze and create a report. Clear? So you can understand the past data. So the real-time IPL match data, real-time Amazon data, real-time Uber, Ola data you can download from this and you will be able to use in your reports, and we can share those reports with your interviewer. So all these things I'm going to be talking about in my classes. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we have two more demos with the same meeting ID, same time. Thank you guys. We'll be continuing. We'll be talking about a lot of other things. What is data engineering also? I did not speak about it. I spoken about data analytics and data science. And tomorrow I'll be talking about data engineering and cloud as well, so that you will be able to understand it, guys. Clear? So remember in 2024 also 24 these are the skills. Without code, without programming, without any hesitation, you can get into IT industry. Only thing is that you need to have proper knowledge. PG or PhD, even though you have no use, you need to have the skill under a proper guidance, under proper mentor. Don't tell me I know Power BI, my friend will teach me, my brother will teach me, nothing is going to happen. Clear? Chalo guys, hope you have enjoyed the demo number 1. In demo number 2 and 3, completely technical discussions is going to be there. I'll make it very simple. I'm here because I love teaching. I'm here because I love teaching. If you don't have the good teachers, it will be very difficult for you to understand the concepts very easily. Clear? So you make sure that you will understand everything, guys. So you will have a lot of opportunities. Calls are getting increased. So I will have a lot of success stories in my YouTube channel. You can go to Bhaskar Jogi YouTube channel. You will be able to subscribe and see a lot of success stories, or you can also go to goonlinetrainings.com. You will be able to get a lot of success stories. Okay, go online trainings.com, you can see, and daily jobs we are going to be uploading it here. And what are the jobs available? SQL developer, lot of things are available. And success stories I have recorded and uploaded in this. You can watch a lot of people's success stories. 25 lakh salary package, and she is a microbiology student, got some 11 12 lakhs of salary package. All these are very old stories. And at the age of 44, one girl from US, her name is Usha. At the age of 44, she is a botany zoology student. At the age of 44, she cracked one job with 1.5 lakhs USD salary. Indian currency wise, 1.2 crores salary. She cracked it at the age of 44. One, a botany zoology student. Clear? So age is not a problem. She is housewife for more than 20 years. Right. So that is how we are helping the people to get into IT industry. Anybody can learn this zero to hero. You can become, you can be housewife for 10, 15 years. You could be become MBA guys. You can have educational gaps. Nothing worries. In my whole family, at least 50 to 60 or so, more than 60, 70 people are working for the data analytics because I believe in this. So I helped my own family to get into IT. So you can also one of them tomorrow. Clear, guys? So thank you so much. If you have any questions, you're welcome. And if you have any doubts, the same link, yes, same link tomorrow, day after tomorrow, same meeting link is going to work. There is no change. Same time, same meeting link is going to be there. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Any questions, you're welcome now.